So, Cowabunga Camry update. Apart from painting it, if you've been following us on Instagram, you saw that. It's made its way back over here to Toyota Customs. As you can see, we got some cool stuff over here. The old pull truck. Some other square body Chevrolets. So today we're putting the finishing touches on it. Chris is over here helping us get the E-fans wired up on it. And we're going to have Allison inside print us up some decals for the sides of it. And, I mean, we're counting down. We're about 4 weeks out from it, so let's get in after it. Got Chris here.
Hey, how's it going?
Getting the old E-fan set up, wired up, and ready to rock and roll. So that way it's all switch controlled.
With shit like this.
Chris out here using what he calls a solder sleeve. Apparently you hit it with the heat gun and it melts the solder and everything into place. All right, we got switch mounted E-fans, baby. So we're getting the livery finished up. Right, we got our first of the lights mounted up here. Snorkel cut out.
I wired it on the first try too, if everything on the right spot. On the switch. That's the first time I have.
I feel like it's way too